Hey my fans, question like this they come for WAEC, almost maybe question 1. So if you prepare for WAEC, pay attention to this particular question. You see say I no carry calculator, so we no go need calculator to run am. So we run am sharp as dey hot. Now you see say every question, every of these things, all of them dey improper fraction. Now under fraction this one come from improper. So first thing we do now to convert from improper fraction to fraction. When you don't achieve that one, we go see the next step. So how we want to convert from improper to fraction, improper fraction to mixed fraction to improper fraction. How you want to do it? To use the denominator here, multiply by the whole number and add them to 2. Add one. 3 times 3, 9 plus 2, 11. I don't get 11 over the denominator 3 times 8 times 1, 8 plus 1, 9 over 8. I don't finish with the numerator. What of this denominator? Over 3 times 3, 9 plus 2, 11 over 3 minus 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9 over 4. I waste time. Sharp, I don't run and finish. Here, divide by 5 times 2, 10 plus 1 plus 1, 11 over 2 over 3 times 9, 27 plus 7, 34 over 9. Simple. What will be the next step? This one don't do single fraction, like improper fraction. Make we make it just dey like single improper fraction. Same thing here. Before we dey run all these ones. So I want to do, if I see 11 times 9, it give me 99. 3 times 8, give me 24. The number go big. Make I reduce them. 3 if you go inside itself, 1. 3 if you still go inside 9, how many times? We'll go 3 times now. Abi? So now, 11 times 3 will give me 33 over 1 times 8 give me 8. That's how I don't reduce them. Over, yeah. If you look for LCM of 3 and 4, but I don't want to follow that out, you go waste time. Use shortcut. If you get 11 over 3 minus 9 over 4, this one they work for addition and subtraction of fraction. What you go do? Cross multiply. 4 times 11 will give me waiting 44. Then 3 times 9. 3 times 9 will give me waiting 27 over 3 times 4 give me 12. So it will be 44 minus 27. 17 abi? 17 over 12. So you get here 17 over 12. Sharp. Now divide the same thing. 11 over 2 divide by 34 over 9. Now I will do one thing, one line I will use do. See, 33 over 9, 33 over 8 divide. This division I will change it to multiplication. And immediately I change the division to multiplication, I go flip this one upside down. 12 will go up, 17 will come down. That's what they do for division of fraction. Listen, 33 over 8 go there. So instead of using division, I will change division, which is the same thing as this division, this one. Change them to multiplication. Immediately you change the division to multiplication, you go invert, flip, turn it upside down. 12 will go up, 17 come down. So you get 12 over 17. You go do this one when you don't reach division of fraction. Very important. Now the same thing I go do for this side. Remember, say division sign there. I don't want to make confuse you. My first do step by step. Here too, I go write 11 over 2, change division sign to multiplication, and flip the term 9 over 34. You understand? So, but then if I decide to like change this one to multiplication, I go change this one now. I go flip this term, but make I wait. Make me wait first. I don't want to confuse you. So make we run this one now. You know, say this one just be like this one on the numerator and this particular one on the denominator. Now what it mean with that? So it means say if I change this one to multiplication, I go flip this term here. I leave one first. Make we run this one. You know, so if you reduce things here, 4 if you go inside this particular 8 2 times, 4 if you go inside this particular 12 3 times. On this side, I feel say nothing if you go. Make we leave am there the way e dey, make e no confuse you first. So what will be the next thing? I can't say make we go this way. I can say 33 over 2 times, here we get 3 over 17. Then I will change the division sign. Immediately I change the division sign to multiplication, I go invert the term after division sign. That means I go flip this term, where we say I will get as 2 over 11 times this particular one too. I go flip am, maybe 34 over 9. So terms after division sign, you will flip am. Another pattern wey I follow, if I do am straight from here sef, you go see everything go dey straight. So wetin you go do for this particular place? Make we still reduce further. I don see 2. I don see 2. Go cancel comot. Wetin again? I don see 33 and 9. Say these people no dey gree. So 3 fit go inside this particular one. 3 fit go inside 9 3 times. 3 fit go inside 37 11 times. 11 and this one now go fit cancel comot. 3 and this 3 fit cancel comot. Wetin go remain? 34 and 17. If you go now, 17 into 7 na 1, 17 into 34 na 2 times. So the answer na 2. Whoa! So all these things wey we dey battle for na just 2. This big thing. Kai! Wetin dey inside this life? If you don't like this video, share am and make others to follow you learn.